welcome back to another BMW Genius tutorial from your friends at Weatherford BMW. My name is Sundar. I'll be walking you guys through the exterior lighting settings on iDrive8 today. It's just a couple options to adjust, like turn signals, depending on the vehicle, whether you want the iconic glow for the grills on. There's quite a few important settings in there, so wanted to walk you guys through it real quick. Anyway, let's get started. So I'll walk you through them one at a time here. Starting at the top, you have your daytime running lights, also called daytime driving lights right here. These are the lights that stay on all the time, even in bright lighting conditions, just to have kind of an indicator so people can see your vehicle a little bit easier, and looks pretty cool too, so there's that. If you would like to turn those off, you can deselect this little tab right there, and that will turn them off. Tap it one more time. You'll see the checkbox turn blue, and they'll be back on. Second one right here is going to be your one-touch turn signal. When you do move this turn signal stalk down one time, you can either have the blinker do a 3-time repeat or just once, and you can select that here. So as you can see, if you tap that, you either have once or 3 times as a selection, and those are pretty straightforward as to what they do. Moving down here, you have your welcome and goodbye. That's kind of the light animation that you see every time that you unlock your vehicle, as well as every time that you lock it. It'll be kind of like a shimmering of the lights. They'll kind of blink at you before they turn off or after they turn on. If you don't want that for some reason, you could definitely turn it off here. Just uncheck that box. Again, check it one more time just to turn them back on. Under that is your BMW Iconic Glow. So BMW Iconic Glow, that's going to be the nice like white illumination in the grills. Not every car has this option, so you'll have to double check on the front grille if you see like lights around it, or if you see this setting in your lighting settings. But if you do have it, you can turn it on and off here. So simply, again, just uncheck the box and check it again to turn it on. Below that is your pathway lighting. So I don't know if you guys have noticed, but every time that you unlock the car, lock the car, get out of it or anything like that, it's going to display kind of like a light carpet for you on the side of the doors, underneath the doors of the vehicle. It's just an aesthetic thing to give you a little bit more lighting while you're walking out of the car. Does also help with safety at night. But if you ever want to extend the lifetime of those lights, so how long they stay on for after you unlock or lock the car, you can do so here. So you can actually have them stay on all the way up to 240 seconds if you kind of want to use it as a pathway back to wherever you're going from the car. Otherwise, you can just have them on for 10 seconds. It'll blink, look cool for a little bit, and then turn right off. So a couple options there for you guys. But yeah, that pretty much concludes our iDrive8 exterior lighting tutorial. Definitely let me know if you guys have any exterior lighting questions in the comments. Just drop them below. We'll try to respond to you guys as quick as possible. Other than that, have a great rest of the day, you guys. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.